In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the filter function in Google Sheets. Now, the filter function is different from the filter that you use under data, where you create a filter or filter views or add a slicer within the dataset. The filter function does the same thing, but within a function in a separate space. Now, before we get started with the formula consists of two parts. You have your range and your conditions. Now, the conditions within the filter formula should only be true or false statements. Those are the only conditions that this function will understand. So before we go to that, let's understand our true or false statements first. So for our example in our true or false statements, we're going to figure out if this is equal to action. Start with your equal sign, select your cell reference, another equal sign, and within quotation marks, put in action. Press enter and it gives you the false statement because it's not action. Now if we drag that down, it will give us various results. This is not our array formula. So if we want to do the array formula, let's just type in right here. And we're going to change our range to until B19. And if you press enter, you have the results as a range. Now this is basically what we need, again, for our filter formula. So if we just copy this without the equal sign and go to our filter formula. So equal sign, type in filter, select your range. So we're trying to see the action movies right here, comma, and paste in your array formula. Add in another parentheses and press enter. And you have there the action movies filtered from your dataset. Now if you check again our formula, we have here our range and our condition. Now the filter function already understands that whatever you put here in the condition is already an array formula. So even if I remove this one and press enter, it will still give us the same results. So let's try that again. This time, comedy movies. So let's start our formula. We'll go straight to our filter formula. Select our range, comma, and our condition. So we select our range for our array formula is equal to, within quotation marks, comedy. Press enter, and it has filtered all the comedy movies on a separate space right here. And that's how to use the filter function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.